Alright, we replaced two end caps. They're on, secure, nice. The left side and the right side in place. This is the old one with the broken center piece that we're going to replace next, and this is where it's going to go. We're seeing something else that might need some attention, and that's this piece here. Should be secured up here, so we're going to address that and then install the panel. Okay, we found that this diverter here was split, so we actually took a piece from the splash guard that we took off and made a supporting plate at the back, and we're screwing it into to hold this piece together. Okay, here is a typical issue with aftermarket parts that are not Kappa certified. Holes don't quite line up. So we're going to drill a new hole here to match the fastener on the other side. This is of the right hand shield. Alright, so the new lower front shield is in. Everything lines up here, but we're not going to do a final tightening until we secure it to the other location points. There and over there. Okay, after making this first attachment here, we realized that there are two other fastener hole locations that have nothing to fasten to, and we see that this piece here, which is the splash guard just after the front splash guard, has edges where some detail was there, probably protruding forward enough to have a fastener for these. So until we can replace this guy, we would fasten this directly, as long as there's nothing in the back of it that we need to be careful of. Okay, here we are, all done. Nice, clean underbelly. New part, new part, new part. Just like new.